Students, in this video, we will read about the second subphylum of chordate. It's of Cephalochordata. Okay, from the name it is clear, it is a Greek word. Cephalo means head and chorda means rod. Mean that in cephalochordate, notochord is present anterior to posterior part. Means head to tail of the body. Clear? But if you compare it with urochordate, in urochordate notochord is present only in tail region. Clear? So when the tail is not present in adult, so definitely that notochord is also not present in adult. But in case of cephalochordate, whole body is having, from anterior to posterior region is having the notochord. Definitely they persisted throughout the life. Okay, so that's why they are known as the cephalochordate, because they persist notochord throughout their life. Second thing, CNS is present, but it is not differentiated into brain and spinal cord. As you know that in your previous class you read about central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord, but in case of cephalochordate, one example of cephalochordate is amphioxus. So in this you can observe in this structure, this is the structure of amphioxus. Okay, notochord, you can see notochord is present in whole body. Head, this is the head region, or this is the tail region, means anterior region or posterior region. Clear? And the ventral side, you can see one oral hood is there. This type of shape is known as the hood. It's a oral hood is there, but it is having the finger like projections. You can see this is known as the oral cirri. You can see here, that is the oral cirri region. Clear? And second thing, you can see that fins are present. Fins, you can see here, the dorsal side is having dorsal fin, and ventral side is having ventral fin, and the tail region is having one more fin. It is known as the caudal fin. Clear? Gonad, 26 pairs of gonads are present in case of amphioxus. You can see these are the gonads and responsible for the release of male and female gametes also. Okay, so anus is there, anal pore is there, and whole body is covered with segmented these segments, these are known as the myotomes. Clear? So this is the structure of amphioxus, and another name of amphioxus is lancelet. Clear? So it's about the amphioxus. Amphioxus is belong to cephalochordate, and tail is present throughout the life. One more interesting point about them, they are having the pharyngeal gill slits. Okay, and pharyngeal gill slits is another characteristic of chordate. So you can observe that one important characteristic of chordate is presence of notochord. Clear? So notochord throughout the life they persist the notochord. So that's why they show the main characteristic of chordate. Clear? Numerous gill slits are present, or central nervous system is not divided into brain and spinal cord. So these are the main point regarding cephalochordate. Okay, and we had observed all these points in this figure also. Clear? I hope cephalochordates are also clear. If you have any question regarding this, you can send me your question in chat box. Okay, thank you, student.